We have been running global investment events for many years, taking our companies internationally to attract capital. The MTPConnect program, we have enabled us to expand that program, and we are now doing events in China, and we will go back to doing events in North America. As well as that, it has enabled us to produce 3 documents. One will be a guide for life science investors aimed at new investors into the sector. The second component will be to develop a roadmap for companies to IPO here in Australia. And then the third part of the program will be to develop a workshop and a process to aid CEOs and researchers to pitch to investors, to give them the skills and the ability to go out and pitch for money directly with investors. The program is about attracting more investors into the sector, both locally and internationally, and attracting capital across the board for our public companies and our private companies, and again, attracting more investment money in Australia, but also attracting capital from the global markets. The program is designed for a broad range of Australian companies and research institutes. So it will be the organisations that will benefit will be listed companies, the private companies, and also research institutes and universities who are trying to pitch their research opportunities to the investment community. We have been doing some of these activities ourselves, funded by Oz Biotech, with our members' contribution. And what the MTPConnect grant has meant is that we can grow the investment series, taking more of our companies internationally, and also accelerating the production of the investment guide and being able to accelerate the time to prepare the workshop and the pitching sessions. We have a number of partners involved who have provided not only cash but also their expertise. We have KPMG, ASX, the Australian Securities Exchange, we have Dibbs Barker, and we have Buchan, who are an investor relations group. The money has been important in terms of adding that monies to those provided by Oz Biotech to meet the grant conditions with MTPConnect. But even more importantly, the expertise we have from the staff and the senior executives inside those organisations has been extremely beneficial.